Hi guys, welcome to Excel Aptitude. Now let's solve this question on pipes and cisterns. Okay, first of all, let me read the question for you. Three pipes A, B, and C can fill a tank together in 8 hours. After working at it together for 2 hours, C is closed and A and B can fill the remaining part in 7 hours. The number of hours taken by C alone to fill the tank. Now I'll teach you the solution of this question in two methods. You can follow the method which is comfortable to you. Okay, let us start with the first method. There are three pipes, right? A, B, C, all are filling, and let us assume number of liters per hour. A fills is nothing but A. Assume this is the name of the pipe, and this is the number of liters per hour filled by A is A. Assume B is by B it's B, by C pipe is C liters per hour. Now the total liters per hour filled by all of them are A plus B plus C per hour. So let us assume this as some x. That means x liters per hour are filled by all pipes together. So can I tell if they fill x liters per hour when all of them are combined? Can I tell the volume of the tank is 6x? Sorry, 8x because they take 8 hours to fill the tank completely. If they fill 8 liters x liters per hour when they work together, can I say the volume of the tank is 8x because they fill the tank together in 8 hours? Okay. Now the total volume of the tank is 8x liters. Now for the first 2 hours, all are working. That means for the first 2 hours, A plus B plus C are working for 2 hours. And for the next, then C is closed. What is mean by C? Can I write it as X minus C? Because A plus B is nothing but X minus C because C is closed, only A plus B will be working now. Into 7 hours, right? This is equal to total volume or not? Now what is A plus B? We assume it as X. So this is nothing but 2X plus. Did you understand this or not? C is closed, that means X minus C equal to A plus B into 7 hours equal to total volume. So this is 7x minus 7c equal to 8x. So you'll get 9x minus 8x equal to 7c. So c equal to x by 7. But what do we need? We need 8x by c value, yes or no? Because 8x is the total volume by c is nothing but the number of liters filled by pipe C. Yes or no? This is nothing but c liters per hour now. So we have got the value of C as x by 7. Now we need the value of 8x by C because 8x is the total volume of the tank by number of liters filled by C in each hour. Yes or no? For example, total volume by, if I divide liters per hour, will I get number of hours or not? So we need the value of 8x by C. But we know the value of x by C is 7, right, from this equation. We need the value of 8x by C. 8x by C is nothing but 7 into 8. It's 56 hours. So C takes 56 hours alone to fill the tank. Okay, this is one method of solving. Now we'll do with the second method. Now when A plus B plus C are combined, they'll fill the entire tank in 8 hours, right? Now if they fill for 8 hours, let us assume the total work done is 1 unit. Total work done. If they work all together for 8 hours, the work done is 1 unit. Now if they work for 2 hours, how much work will be done? Obviously 1 by 4 because the ratios will be same on both sides. So when A plus B work together for 2 hours, only 1 by 4th of the work is completed. Because in 8 hours, if they work continuously, 1 unit of work is completed. Let us assume the total work done is 1 unit. But if they work for 2 hours, only 1 by 4th of the work is completed. Now, if 1 by 4th of the work is completed in 2 hours of A plus B plus C, this is 2 hours of A plus B plus C, right? So in 1 hour of A plus B plus C, how much work will be completed? 1 by 8. This is 1 hour work of A plus B plus C. Now, okay, leave it. Now, after working for 2 hours, 1 by 4th of work is completed, right? So the remaining work is 3 by 4 because the total work is 1 by 4th is completed, remaining work is 3 by 4. Now, 7 hours of A plus B, right? Because C is closed. 7 hours of A plus B working will do the work 3 by 4, right? Because the remaining work is 3 by 4, right? So 1 hour of A plus B is, can I say 3 by 28? Bring this 7 here. Understood or not? Because 1 by 4th of work is completed. Now 3 by 4th of the work is left. This 3 by 4th is completed by A and B in 7 hours. So 7 hours of A plus B is 3 by 4th work. So 1 hour will be obviously 3 by 28. Now can I tell C's 1 hour work is nothing but A plus B plus C 1 hour's work, 1 hour's work minus A plus B 1 hour work. I'll write 1 here. That means 1 hour work. Can I say A plus B plus C 1 hour work minus A minus B, A plus B 1 hour work is nothing but C's 1 hour work. You know A plus B plus C 1 hour work is 1 by 8 minus A plus B 1 hour work is 3 by 28. So if you take LCM, the LCM will be 56. This is 8 sevens are 3 twos are. So C's 1 hour work is nothing but 1 by 56. So if in 1 hour C can fill 1 by 56 of the tank, obviously it will take 56 hours, right? Because in 1 hour it will only fill 1 by 56. So total work is 56, right? So if I multiply 1 by 56 by 56, I'll get the 1. This is nothing but total work to be done. So the number of hours taken by C to alone to fill the tank is 56. See, I have taught you 2 methods. You can follow any method which you are comfortable with. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.